We carried phones just to talk, and cameras only for memories. Music lived in a different pocket. Every task needed a different device. Technology wasn't connected, but one day everything changed. But it did not start with a phone, it started with an idea to simplify everything we carried into one device. Apple CEO Steve Jobs walked onto a stage and he announced three revolutionary products: an iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator. But this wasn't three separate devices, it was one. And that single device would go on to redefine the entire tech industry. The iPhone did not win because it was powerful, it won because it replaced everything people already carried. One device replaced five. And that did not just change technology, it changed human behavior. For the first time, the internet wasn't tied to a desk, it was in your pockets. And the entire industry felt it. The iPhone did not just create a new category, it erased old ones. Cameras were the first to feel it. For decades, companies built their future on one idea: people would always carry a separate camera. Then came navigation. GPS devices disappeared quietly because they did not need to exist anymore. Tech does not always disappear with noise, sometimes it simply becomes invincible. Music player did not stand a chance. Why carry another device when the phone already did it better? The iPhone did not win because it was the most powerful device on paper. It won because of micro movements, small things people felt instantly. Swiping instead of pressing buttons, zooming photos with two fingers, carrying one device instead of five, a phone, a music player, a camera, a GPS, and the internet, all in one pocket. Before the iPhone, technology wasn't broken, it was fragmented. Before the smartphone, we relied on collections of gadgets, a digital camera, a standalone GPS, and the humble MP3 player. All of these devices worked, but they were about to disappear. The real change did not come from technology specs, it came from the behavior. We stopped clicking buttons and started touching the screens. Finding places became instant: no devices, no direction, just a swipe. Music, photos, navigation, communication, everything lived in one place. One device quietly replaced many others without people even noticing. That's how the iPhone did not just change phones, it changed daily life.